Good morning to everybody. I am Ankinadu, Chemistry Faculty of VIGNANA BHARATHI High School. Today I would like to start 10th class chemistry topics. 10th class physical science textbook contains totally 12 chapters. Among those, 6 belongs to physics, 6 belongs to chemistry. What are the 6 chemistry topics? First one is acids, bases and salts. Second one is structure of the atom. Third one is classification of elements. Fourth one is chemical bonding. Fifth one is principles of metallurgy. Sixth one is chemistry of carbon compounds. Today I would like to start acids, bases and salts. In 7th class standard, we learned about the acids, bases and salts. In 7th class standard, we learned about the properties of acids and properties of bases also. Now we can remember them simply. What are the properties of acids? In day-to-day life, we are eating the tamarind, lemon, orange, etc. So many fruits. When we are eating the tamarind, we can get the sour in taste. When we are eating the lemon, orange also, we can get the sour in taste. Why? Because tamarind contains tartaric acid. Lemon and orange also contains citric acids. Lemon and orange contains citric acids. That's why those fruits contains acids. That's why they are sour in taste. That's why we can say that acids are having the sour in taste. That is the one of the property of acid. What is the property of acid? Acids are sour in taste. Another one is when we dip the blue litmus paper in acidic solution, immediately that can be changes into red color. That is another property of acid. Finally, we can remember them again. What are the properties of acids? Acids are, first one is acids are sour in taste. Second one is when we dip the blue litmus paper in acidic solution, that will be changes into red color. These two properties of acids we learned in 7th class standard. Next we can remember the properties of bases. But we know that in daily life, day-to-day life, we are using so many soaps. Soaps are prepared with the help of bases. But suppose when we are moving in one way, but in that way, soap is there means when we are automatically our leg is keeping on the soap means we will move for some distance. That's why such type of touches are soapy to touch. That's why soaps contains bases. That's why bases are soapy. We can say that bases are soapy to touch. That is one of the property of bases. For suppose if you are taking the red litmus papers, when we dip the red litmus papers in bases, immediately red litmus papers can be changes into blue color. That is another property of bases. But already in 7th class standard, these properties we learned. What are the properties of bases? Bases are, first one is bases are soapy to touch. Another one is when we dip the red litmus paper in the basic solutions, immediately that red litmus paper can be changes into blue color. These are the properties of acids and bases. For suppose in our day-to-day life we are seeing so many people they are suffering with acidity problem. But at that time what suggestion you can give to them to get the relief from that problem? But at that time we have to give the suggestion to them, take anti-acid syrups. Or chewing tablets. What is meant by anti-acid? The substances which reduces the acidity problem. They are called as antacids. They are called as antacids. These antacid syrups are chewing tablets prepared by using bases. That's why antacids are chewing tablets having the basic in nature. Once again we can remember the definition for the antacid. What is meant by antacids? The substances which are reduces the acidity power, they are called as antacids. That's why when the people are suffering with the help of acidity problem, we have to give the suggestion to them, take antacid syrups or chewing tablets. But when they have taken the antacids syrups or chewing tablets in their stomach, what type of chemical reaction will be going in? Sometimes our directors or our principals or our elders or our neighbors, they are asking when the acidity problem people are taking the antacid syrups or chewing tablets, what type of chemical reaction going on in their stomach, like that they are asking. At that time we have to give the suitable answer. What is that chemical reaction means? When the antacids are taken through their mouth, antacids are prepared with the help of bases. That's why automatically bases are entering into their stomach. Already in their stomach acids are there. When the bases are entering into their stomach, what happens? The bases are reduces these antacids are reduces the acidity problem in their stomach. At that time, between the acid and bases, chemical reaction will be takes place and form the salt and water. Such type of reactions are called as neutralization reaction. Such type of reaction. At that time, we have to give the answer to them. When the antacids are entering to our body, between the acids and basic nature antacids, chemical reaction will be takes place and salt and water will be formed and neutralization reaction will be going on in our stomach. Like that we have to give the answer. Finally, when the antacids are entering into our body, at that time these antacids, these basic nature antacids are reduces the acidity power which is present in our stomach. At that time we will get relief from the pain. At that time, such type of reactions are called as neutralization reaction. What is meant by neutralization reaction? The reaction between acid and base and form the salt and water. Such type of reactions are called as neutralization reaction. What is meant by neutralization reaction? The reaction between acid and base and form the salt and water. Such type of reactions are called as neutralization reaction. But for example, chemical equation, the acid, if you are taking the hydrochloric acid, chemical formula is HCl, and taking the sodium hydroxide, chemical formula is NaOH. Between them, what happens? Chemical reaction will be takes place. When the hydrochloric acid is added to the sodium hydroxide, between them chemical reaction will be takes place. At that time, immediately hydrochloric acid can be changes into positive ion and negative ion, that is H plus and Cl minus ion. Immediately at the same time, sodium hydroxide also can be changes into positive ion and negative ion, Na plus ion and OH minus hydroxide ion. At that time, we know that in our nature, oppositely charged ions are attracted to each other. At that time, H plus positive ion is attracted to the OH minus negative ion and form the water H2O. Both are combined and form the water. And Na plus positive ion is attracted to the Cl minus negative ion. Both are combined and form the NaCl. NaCl is salt. H2O is water. The acid is react with base and form the salt and water. Such type of reactions are called as neutralization reaction. But here we have one doubt. What is that? H plus is positive, Cl minus is negative. but both are combined and form HCl. Not only combined with the OH minus, like that we have doubt here, but in the options of OH minus, H plus is adjusted with chloride ion. Why? Because OH minus is more attracted H plus when compared to Na plus, or Cl minus is more attracted to the Na plus when compared to H plus. When the HCl and that means hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide both are combined, immediately this HCl can be split into H plus and Cl minus, but NaOH can be split into Na plus and OH minus. In absence of NaOH, HCl will not be split, but in absence of HCl, NaOH will not be split. But when both are reacting immediately between them, attractive forces are more when compared to, that means at that time when the hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide both are combined, what happens? HCl can be split into H plus and Cl minus, NaOH can be split into Na plus and OH minus. That's why this H plus and is attracted more to OH minus when compared to Cl minus and form the H2O. This Na plus is more attracted to Cl minus when compared to OH minus and form the NaCl. The acid is react with base and form the salt and water. Such type of reactions are called as neutralization reaction. When we are taking the basic nature antacids into our body, those basic nature antacids react with the acids which are present in our stomach and form these type of reaction. That's why we have to give the answer at that time. Neutralization reaction will be takes place in our stomach. To our asking peoples. Next come to another concept is indicators. What is meant by indicator? The substances which are changed their color in presence of acidic medium or basic medium. Such type of substances are called as indicators. What is meant by indicators? The substances which are changed their color in presence of acidic medium or basic medium, those substances are called as indicators. Again, we can say the definition of indicators. The substances which are changed their original color in presence of acidic medium or basic medium, they are called as indicators. Again, indicators can be classified into two types. One is natural indicator, another one is synthetic indicator. So what is meant by natural indicator? First of all, we have to know what is meant by natural materials. The materials are the substances which are obtained from plants and animals. They are called as natural materials. The materials are the substances which are obtained from plants and animals. They are called as natural materials. If the natural materials in presence of acidic medium or basic medium, their color will be changes, means they are called as natural indicators. For example, if you are taking the litmus is obtained from the lichen plant. This lichen plant belongs to the Thallophyta category. In biological science, we can get so many plants can be classified into different types: Thallophyta, Bryophyta, Pteridophyta, like that. So lichen belongs to the Thallophyta category. Lichen plants belongs to the Thallophyta category. For suppose from the lichen plant, when we are getting the litmus solution, by applying the suitable chemical process, we will get the litmus papers. Maybe they are blue color litmus papers, red color litmus papers. They are these blue color litmus paper is dipped in the, already we know that blue color litmus paper, when we dipped the blue color litmus paper in acidic solution, immediately changes into red color. The original color will be changes in acidic medium. If you are dipping the red color litmus paper in basic solution, immediately changes into blue color. The original color will be changes. These substances obtained from the plants, that's why they are natural materials. These materials in presence of acidic medium or basic medium, their original color will be changes. That's why they are called as indicator. That's why finally these are belongs to natural indicators. Like that, some more examples of natural indicators. What are they? The extraction of red cabbage and turmeric solution and some colored petals of some flowers. We know that rose flower having so many petals. But as some of the rose flowers having red petals, some of the rose flowers having orange petals, some of the rose flowers having white or yellow, whatever it may be. They are the colored petals of some flowers having the dimaltils. Colored petals of some flowers having the dimaltils, but those are also changes their original color in presence of acidic medium or basic medium. So best example, such type of colored petals of some flowers, hydrangea, petunia, geranium. These type of flowers having different colors. Those different colors in presence of acidic medium and basic medium, their original colors will be changes. That's why they are also belongs to the natural indicators. In addition with natural indicators, another type of indicators also there. They are synthetic indicators. So first of all, what is meant by synthetic indicators? The materials or substances which are prepared by using chemicals, they are called as synthetic materials. If the synthetic materials may be changed their color in presence of acidic medium or basic medium, they are called as synthetic indicators. Like that such type of synthetic indicators, examples are methyl orange, another one is phenolphthalein indicator. Methyl orange is the orange color liquid chemical substance. This is prepared with the help of chemicals. Phenolphthalein is some color. This is also one of the chemical substance having some color. But in our day-to-day life, some of the magicians told to us with us from the lemon. When we cut the lemon, from the lemon we will get the we can get the blood with the help of magician. Like that magician told that, but that is not a magician, that is science only. Science. But how it will be happen means when the magicians by what knife they want to cut the lemon, that knife first of all they dipped in the methyl orange solution. At that time what happened? The orange color methyl orange is poured on the surface of the knife. With the help of that knife, they will cut the lemon. At that time, lemon contains, already we know that lemon contains citric acid, but in the form of juice, in the form of liquid. The methyl orange knife is cut with the help of lemon. At that time, inside the lemon, citric acid is there. That citric acid is react with methyl orange. At that time, the orange color methyl orange changes into red color. At that time, the lemon juice is coming to the outside in the form of red color. They are told that this is blood. But that is not a blood. That is red color lemon juice. That is not a magician. That is only science. We can say that methyl orange chemical substance is react with acid, changes into red color. The original color will be changes into another color by reaction of acidic medium, by reaction with acid substance. That's why this is also belongs to indicator, but this is obtained by using chemicals. That's why this is called as synthetic indicator. Next, this methyl orange indicator is react with bases. Immediately it will be changed. Orange color liquid changes into yellow color. In acidic medium or when the methyl orange indicator is react with acidic substances, changes into red color. When the orange color methyl orange indicator is react with basic substance, changes into yellow color. That's why the methyl orange indicator may be react with the acid substances or basic substances. Their original color, orange color, will be changes into another color. That's why this is belongs to the indicators, and also this is obtained from the chemicals. That's why this is belongs to the synthetic indicator. Like that, another synthetic indicator is phenolphthalein indicator. This is also having some color, but when if you are taking the two test tubes, in first test tube and second test tube, we will take the 1 ml volume of the phenolphthalein indicator. In the first test tube, we will add the HCl. In the second test tube, we will add the NaOH. With the help of stirrer, we will stir them. With the help of stirrer, we will stir them. With the help of stirrer, we will stir them. After stirring, what happen? Phenolphthalein indicator is mixed with acid substances and form the colorless solution. When the phenolphthalein indicator is mixed with basic substances and change the pinkish red color, changes the pinkish red color. When the phenolphthalein indicator react with acidic medium or basic medium, their original color will be changes. Original color will be changes. That's why this is also belongs to indicator and is also obtained from the chemicals. That's why this is also an example for synthetic indicator. Synthetic indicator. Tomorrow class we can continue the another concept, that is olfactory indicator. Olfactory indicator. Till now what we discussed, within 1 minute we can remember them. In this today class, first of all, we know the properties of acids and properties of bases. What are the properties of acids? Acids are sour in taste, and acids are blue litmus paper is dipped in the acidic solution, changes into red color. Next come to, can you say students, anybody, what are the properties of bases? Bases are soapy to touch. When the red litmus paper dipped into the bases, immediately changes into blue color. Can you say students, what is meant by antacids? What is meant by antacids? Can you say anybody? What is meant by antacids? The substance which are reduce the acidic power, the substance which are reduce the acidic power, they are called as antacids. They are called as antacids. Next come to indicators. Can you say anybody what is meant by indicator? The substances or materials which are changed their color in presence of acidic medium or basic medium, they are called as indicators. Indicators can be classified into two types. One is natural indicator, another one is synthetic indicators. What are the examples for natural indicators? Litmus, some colored petals of some flowers, like that. What are the examples for synthetic indicators? Methyl orange, phenolphthalein indicator, like that. Tomorrow class we can continue the another concept. What is that olfactory indicator? Okay,